How to make the Aloe Black Tequila Cocktail. Spa-inspired refreshing blue-green drink tutorial. Imagine a cocktail that not only tantalizes your taste buds, but also transports you to a serene spa retreat. Meet the Aloe Black, a beverage that defies all expectations. It's like encountering a beauty queen who casually mentions her work at Doctors Without Borders and the Large Hadron Collider. Wait, what? You wouldn't expect such a visually stunning drink to be this delicious, but it is. Let's talk about its appearance first. This cocktail shimmers in shades of seafoam green or swimming pool blue, depending on the lighting. It's the kind of drink that catches your eye from across the room, prompting you to flag down a server to inquire about it. With its vibrant and unique color, you might assume it contains Midori or Alizé, or perhaps some other neon-colored ingredient. But making a blue-green drink is easy if you throw in Mountain Dew Baja Blast. It's not necessarily what you'd pair with a gourmet meal. But here's where it gets controversial. The Aloe Black doesn't rely on such shortcuts. It's a harmonious blend of tequila, lemon juice, and Chareau, an aloe liqueur. The drink's refreshing green hue and subtle purple floral notes come from cucumber juice and crème de violette. These ingredients not only create its distinctive color, but also its core flavor profile. We wanted the drink to evoke the essence of a spa day, explains bartender Leila Cap, both in taste and experience. In 2016, Le Cap was the opening bar manager at Campfire in Carlsbad, California, an affluent seaside community where residents are no strangers to the flavors of luxury spa treatments. His emphasis on the figurative aspect is crucial. Literally, the cocktail tastes like a spa day due to its cucumber juice and soft floral notes. Figuratively, it offers a transcendently refreshing experience. Unlike typical drinks that use muddled cucumber, the Aloe Black incorporates cucumber juice, which hits the palate like a refreshing wave. Combined with Chareau's cooling properties and the tart floral notes of crème de violette, this cocktail is not just delicious and innovative, but also visually stunning and soothing. It's like discovering a secret garden, but in margarita form. The Aloe Black was the top-selling cocktail on the menu for 3 years. Even after it was removed to make way for new offerings, it remained a top seller through word of mouth. Nearly a decade later, the bar at Campfire still juices cucumbers daily to satisfy requests for this beloved drink. It's a small effort that pays off immensely for those who crave an Aloe Black. Next time you need a spa day, consider making one, whether you mean it literally or figuratively. Ingredients: 1. 2 ounces Blanco tequila, 0.5 ounces cucumber juice, 0.75 ounces lemon juice, 0.5 ounces simple syrup, 0.25 ounces Chareau, 0.25 ounces Bitter Truth Violet Liqueur, crème de violette. Instructions: 1. Add all ingredients to a cocktail shaker. 2. Shake vigorously for 6 to 8 seconds. 3. Strain over fresh ice into a rocks glass. 4. Garnish with a sprinkle of pink salt and/or a small pink or purple edible flower. Notes on ingredients: Blanco tequila. It must be Blanco. Tequila serves as the foundation for these flavors, not the star. Opt for a tequila that tastes like tequila, 100% agave and ideally additive-free, but doesn't require a high-end artisanal choice. Favorites include Real de Valle, Cimarron, and Olmeca Altos. Chareau. This aloe liqueur also boasts flavors of muskmelon, spearmint, cucumber, and lemon. Its broad palate presence is unparalleled in the liqueur world. It's a bit pricey at $35 to $40, but its uniqueness and deliciousness make it worth it. It's arguably the best new liqueur of the last 15 years. Crème de violette. This intense liqueur is used sparingly here. Le Cap chose Bitter Truth Violet Liqueur for its less soapy taste and reduced sugar content. Different brands may require adjusting the amount of simple syrup. The ratios provided are specific to Bitter Truth Violet Liqueur. Simple syrup. Start by playing a song you love. Mix a half cup of sugar with a half cup of water, stirring until the sugar dissolves. It's quick and easy, and you'll never buy pre-made simple syrup again. It keeps for up to a month in the fridge. Authors.